Windy app full overview and how to use it. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. So windy.com is an application that tells you the weather forecast and many other weather news. It includes all the weather forecasting models like Global, ECMWF, GFS, and Icon Plus. It, have, it has also 51 weather maps. It also supports satellite and Doppler radar. So how to use it? Click on install. Now tap on open. Now give permissions. Now tap on three lines to select many different weather conditions. You can also many other settings. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.